Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to episode 1 of Kobe Sneaks. My name is Josh, and today we're starting big here. We are reviewing the brand new Supreme, Comme des Garcon, and Nike Air Force 1 lows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's unbox the shoe. Here we have the official box for the shoe. Very classic black Nike box, not the red box, the black box. But you will notice on the side of the box, we have the Comme des Garcon shirt and Supreme branding on the side of the box. We have the official tag on the front of the box, and that reads Air Force 1 / Supreme / CDG. I got the size 11. And we have the official style code right here, which is AR7623. Alright, let's go ahead and open this guy up. Perfect, alright. Alright, here we have the shoe. Nothing really extra in this box here, just the shoe for this one, but I mean, what do you need? You're buying a pair of shoes. Alright, so let's get this box out of the way here and start this proper review. Alright, so the official colorway of this shoe, like I showed you on the box there, is black and white, pretty self-explanatory. They released back on November 8th, so only last week, and I just got them in here. I got them shipped up here to Toronto, Canada. They retail for a price of $165 US, so pretty pricey compared to regular Air Force 1s, but you are getting that Supreme and that Comme des Garcon branding on it. Up here in Toronto, Canada, when you factor in the shipping and the duties and the exchange rate, they come to about $300 to $310 Canadian. Now, Supreme and Comme des Garcon, they have a long relationship. They've been collaborating on shoes, on clothing, jackets, hoodies, tees, all that kind of stuff, and this is the newest iteration of their collaboration. For the Fall-Winter 2018 season, Supreme and CDG came together and created this entire split collection. You can see here, this split, that was part of almost every single piece of this collection, minus the sweater. It kind of looks like this, but with the branding on it, and a jacket, I believe. But the hoodie, the tee, and the shoes all had this signature split on the garment itself, or in this case on the shoe. Now, while the clothing dropped about a month ago, these shoes just came out last week. Now, as you can see on the shoe, they feature an entire leather upper with black leather for the actual main body of the shoe, and then a white swoosh, and then they have that distinctive vertical seam split, which, as you can see on the shoe, is both in the physical shoe itself and on the physical swoosh, which is a pretty cool detail for them to throw in there. They also feature the classic Air unit branding on the midsole in a contrast black font on the white midsole rubber. The heel of the shoe features a printed branding that says Comme des Garcon shirt and Supreme, and honestly, I don't know if this is a QC, a quality control thing, or actually on one of the shoes it's pretty good, but on my right shoe here, the letters are a bit crooked, but I mean, it kind of goes with the split design, so I'm not too mad. And then the heel tab has the classic Nike Air branding embroidered into the heel tab in a white font on the black leather. The tongue of the shoe features a contrast white Nike Air Force 1 woven tag, and then the inside, the insole here, is a classic insole, not too much to talk about, it's just a black insole, and it just says Nike Air Force 1, Comme des Garcon shirt, and Supreme. Now, my honest opinion on the shoe, to be honest, the Air Force 1 is not my favorite silhouette out of all the Nike shoes, but I know it is a classic shoe for Nike, so I do think it was a good move for Supreme to stay with a classic silhouette for this one. I know online it got a lot of hate for being too simple. I saw a lot of comments like, oh, they could have done so much more with this, such a basic design. All they did was split the logo. The thing is, if Supreme or Comme des Garcon, if they put something really crazy on the design, they put some crazy design, that also gets hate. You know, it's too busy and there's too much going on. They should have just simplified it. You can't please everyone. In my honest opinion, I love the simplicity of this. If you're walking around with a black and white Air Force 1 low that has this split logo, right away, if you know what you're looking at, you know it's the CDG Fall-Winter 2018 Supreme Air Force 1 low. I do admit on the clothing, all it was a physical seam on the clothing just like on the shoe here, but the branding was just a printed logo of the Supreme logo and the Comme des Garçons logo on the back of the hoodie. But on this, it's the actual physical leather of the swoosh and the shoe that's been split. So in my opinion, the attention to detail on both the inner and outer swooshes is impeccable. Alright, enough looking at the shoe, let's put these on the feet and see what they look like in action. Alright, now let's come back around and look at this one more time. Is this a Kobe cop or a Kobe drop? In my opinion, if the Air Force 1 low is one of your favorite or just a silhouette from Nike that you actually like to wear, then this is a definite cop. It's not too loud, but it is distinctive enough to know when you walk around that it is the Comme des Garçons and Nike Fall/Winter 2018 split collaboration. Now, if you're not into the Air Force 1, I would just stick with the clothing and say it's a drop. For me, personally, this is a Kobe cop. Alright, that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed episode 1 of Kobe Sneaks. Please comment down below if you want to see any other shoes reviewed on this channel, or if I missed something about the shoes that you want to see me talk about more. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.